In a previous video, we showed you what your profile looked like to the public and how the leads came in. But in this video, we'll show you the reviews. So in this on this sample account, you see we have one review, a 5 out of 5, and someone could leave another review here by clicking on write a review. And since this account has reviews, you'll see there's a tab here for reviews. And so that's where someone could come and actually see what people wrote about you. And here's another area where they can leave a review. So if someone writes a review, how would you see that on your end, managing your profile? So let's go into edit listing here. And you would get to your reviews here on the left hand side under manage reviews. And here you can see we have one. It would normally have their name there. This is a sample reviewer. And then the title of the review and the rating that they gave you. You can click here to view more details. So there is a chance that you might get a fake review or something like that. If you do get something, a fake review, not necessarily a bad review, because if it's legitimate, it's a bad review. But if it's a fake review, just let us know and we can remove it for you. But this is where you would go to see the reviews you've had, and you can click request more reviews. And then this is where you can share this link with people to ask them to give you a review. So just click copy to clipboard, and then you can go to an email and send it to a recent client and say, if you enjoyed your time with us, would you please leave us a review or something like that. But this is where you can get a link they can click on, and it'll take them directly to write a review on your listing. So that can be very helpful in not only other people seeing the results, but also for you to capture testimonials and feedback from your clients. But that is where you will access your reviews. And like I said, if you have something that's clearly fake and needs to be removed, just contact us and we will take care of that for you.